A hobby my wife recently picked up is making paper. She's gotten to the point that she needs a second paper press, so let's build one. Things we'll need for this project are 2 boards, preferably a little larger than the largest piece of paper you want to make, 8 washers, measuring with an inner diameter of 5/16, 4 1/4-inch carriage bolts, and 4 1/4-inch wing nuts. You'll want to place the position of the holes a little larger than the largest sheet of paper you want to make. In this case, it's going to be a standard A4 paper sheet. I'll be using one of the boards from the other press I've made to position the new holes using a punch to mark their location. Then we use a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill 4 holes. I'll then go back over them again with a slightly larger drill bit in reverse to make a countersunk edge for the inner shoulder of the carriage bolt. From here, we'll assemble the bottom board with a carriage bolt and a washer in each hole. It should look like this. Then place the top board, followed by washers, then tighten things down with the wing nuts. The washers help distribute the pressure more evenly across the board. This method works really well and is also really cheap if you want to get into paper making and don't want to spend a ton on a press. I hope you liked this video. What would you have done differently in making the press? Have you already made one, and what materials did you make to use it? Let me know down below. And while you're down there, why not like and subscribe? It does help the channel. I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.